Sexual harassment in the workplace. It is illegal, it is harmful, and it is far too common. In a national survey, more than 5 out of 10 women and 4 out of 10 men had experienced sexual harassment at work within the past year. And another national study found that 5 out of 10 transgender or gender non-conforming people had been harassed by someone at work. What can you do if it happens to you? Do what works for you. Each person's experience and situation is different. What works for one person may not work for everyone. Tell them to stop if you feel safe doing so. You can do this face-to-face or in writing. Be specific about the behavior that is bothering you and tell the person who is harassing you that it offends you and you want it to stop. Get support. Talk to friends, family members, or coworkers you trust. You can also reach out to your local Rape Crisis Center for additional information and support. You are not alone. Save records. Keep a journal of every incident of harassment, including what happened, where, when, and who was there. Save any harassing notes, emails, or pictures. Keep notes and copies of any communication you have about the harassment, and also keep performance reviews or other records that mention the quality of your work. It's a good idea to keep these files at home for privacy and safety. Read your policy on sexual harassment. Check your employee handbook or personnel policies for details on filing a sexual harassment complaint with your employer. If you are part of a union, ask your union representative about grievance procedures. Report it if that feels safe. Tell your supervisor or someone else listed in your company's sexual harassment policy. It can be helpful to make this report in writing. Try to be specific about what happened, any steps you've taken, and what you want your employer to do to fix the problem. Know your rights. Employers are required to promptly investigate all complaints and take action to fix the situation if they find that sexual harassment has occurred. They are also required to keep sexual harassment complaints confidential, although they will likely interview the person harassing you and any witnesses. It is illegal for an employer to punish you for filing a complaint or participating in an investigation of sexual harassment. Learn more. Contact the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission for more information about your legal rights and options. You can also contact state and local agencies on fair employment. You have a right to file a complaint with these agencies if you believe you have been sexually harassed at work. In most cases, you have 180 days to file a complaint, although federal and state employees may have as little as 30 days. The effects of sexual harassment can be serious for victims, their coworkers, family, friends, and communities. If it happens to you or someone you know, remember, it is not your fault. You are not alone, and you do have rights and options.